All right, this is a 5-minute farm doc, and today we are going to talk about the 2018 Farm Bill What If tool, which has been released and is available on FarmDoc. This is a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, works on both Macs and PCs, and what you will see when you bring the program up into Excel is this opening screen, 2018 Farm Bill What If tool, and if you click Continue here, you'll go to our main page. This main page will give you ARC and PLC payments, dollars per base acre for a set of county yields and market year average prices that you enter. So if we change these county yields and market year average prices, we will get different payments here. This tool works for all states and counties for which FSA has provided data. We're going to do Illinois. We are going to do Champaign County. And we'll do corn. And for Champaign County, we have corn, soybeans, wheat, barley, oats, and sunflower seed, believe it or not. And our practice that we're going to select is non-irrigated. In Champaign County, we have non-irrigated and irrigated practices, and we have a default PLC yield, but you might want to change that to what your individual farm is. We bring that in, and then we can hit just use defaults to get us back to our default yields and prices. We bring in yields and prices that are at trend lines. The 2018 yield is what we believe the 2018 yield will be for FSA, and then we can look and see what those 2019 yields and prices do to PLC and ARC County payments. Currently they're at 0. If we put a market year average price of $3.60 in here, we will get a $15 PLC payment because the $3.60 is below the effective price for PLC, which is $3.70. We still don't have an ARC County payment, but it's likely that Champaign County will have a lower yield than our trend line of 220. Let's say it turns out to be 180. If we have a 180 bushel yield, 360 price, ARC County will pay $43 per base acre. Again, we change those yields and those prices and we'll get different payments. Obviously, as we go through the year, we'll have much better information about what the county yield and market year average price for 2019 is, so we should probably wait a little while before signing up for the 2019 payments, which the deadline for that sign-up is March 15th. That's the major part of this tool. This tool also gives you information on the ARC County calculations that go into these payments, as well as, if you scroll down, calculation of PLC payments, 20 in Table 1, calculation of the 2019 benchmark yield for ARC County in Table 2. Table 3 will give you the calculation of the 2020 benchmark yield for ARC County, and the final table, Table 4, will give you the calculation of benchmark prices for ARC County. And there are footnotes in here that describe all of those calculations. You will probably, however, spend most of your time right here in the county yield and MYA price area. And again, changing those will result in different PLC and ARC County prices.